In case you're getting Expo 2020 fatigue, I totally get you. I think it's time for me to call it a night because next morning I need to get a free COVID test for the evening flight to Poland. With that being done, let's finish up our world tour at Expo 2020 Dubai. There's one country I'm passionate about and I must see. And I'm surprised and not pleased with the lineup in the burning sun. And one place that's really dear to my heart is Palestine. And I want to go and check it out. The pavilion showcases a deep historic land with ancient buildings. The presentation invites the visitors to engage in all 5 senses, a journey of seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, and tasting what the land has to offer in a uniquely immersed tour to experience Palestine. The lineup is crazy. Didn't expect the Palestinian Pavilion have such a big lineup. Well, it is what it is. Let's go. After 20 minutes, I'm still waiting in line. This is minute number 45. Still waiting. Finally, just a little bit of movement here. So what do you say? The exhibition's aim is to make every visitor feel like they are in Jerusalem, starting on the ground floor. The guide runs through a quick summary of the historic Palestine and the land significant for the 3 Abrahamic faiths. The floors themselves are a replica of Jerusalem's old street, tailored with vertical strip of deep brown cladding and interspersed with a generous entryway.
And it's the birthplace of Jesus Christ. The olive trees that you'll see also here.
Come here. There's room for everyone in Palestine.
Yeah.
So these are music from Palestine and in the elevator. She's gonna be famous. The tour followed by an elevator which doubled as an immersed simulation of rising high above Jerusalem. Once on the 2nd floor, everyone set foot on a dark room where a promotional video is played that introduces the viewer to various Palestinian cities and their cultural attractions. In the Touch of Palestine section, where one can physically interact with all sorts of items, a chunk of salt from the Dead Sea, a aluminum fragment from the Dome of the Rock, a mosaic staff from the Jericho, and an original key from 1948 that symbolized the right of return. The Smell Palestine section is where the cornucopia of scents are offered. You get to actually smell different spices of Palestine. It's really, really awesome. Oh, amazing. Oh, so fresh and amazing. Amazing. Alright, now I'm all freshened up. Let's go on. There's also a virtual culinary experience, replete with a table where visitors can sit around that illustrate a traditional feast and a menu to browse. I have to say this is a fantastic visual. They really did a good job of putting this together. Good job, Palestine. To round out the excursion is a room where the guests can put on a virtual reality headset to visit various religious sites like Al-Aqsa Mosque and the Church of Holy Sepulchre. I think we're coming to an end actually. A little bit sad, but great pavilion. You got to check this one out. Their souvenir shop sells a selection of chromatics and Palestinian-themed arts and crafts. Opposite the store is a section of where assortment of Palestinian food product can be purchased. And yes, olive oil is on sale, as well as many other Palestinian products. So please support Palestine. This is really nice. You get a nice souvenir with this pavilion. Can't wait. That's also Lucy. When I was in Ethiopia, this was a store in the Addis Ababa Museum.
University Museum, I believe.
Although small and simple, Ethiopian Pavilion offers a visitor the opportunity to see Lucy, a collection of several hundred pieces of fossilized bones representing 40% of a female of hominid species. These bones are dated to about 3.2 million years ago, making it the world's most famous early human ancestor.
As you can see, coffee beans and spices is actually a really big part of the economy.
Appropriately, the pavilion's theme is coming to a cradle of humanity and beginning a journey from the dawn of time. Since Ethiopia is actually the oldest independent country in Africa, the presentation invites the visitor to witness the culture and value that shape Ethiopia of today. I wonder if there's samples available. Thank you so much. There you go. Ethiopian coffee. Delicious.